Ano ai wale? It's Kumaʻōlelo here, coming to you from Aloha Pōʻakahi, the island of Molokai. Today's MANAʻo Monday ʻōlelo noʻiau is ʻUʻuku ka hana, ʻUʻuku ka loaʻa. And what that translates to is little work, little gain. It's simple. Look at the picture right here. If you're not putting your whole heart and trying, you won't get amazing results. It's that simple. You can't expect to have a great outcome if you don't work hard at it. Very simple. So let's say it all together. ʻAʻole. ʻUʻuku ka hana, ʻUʻuku ka loaʻa. Maikaʻi loa. It's essential to know how to say yes and no i ka ʻōlelo Hawaii, especially because we call this beautiful place home. So I want you to follow after me. E hoʻopili mai, I. Maikaʻi, I means yes. It's not I. It's not ai, it's I. Okina e I. So let's do that all together. E hoʻopili mai ʻaʻoia. I. Maikaʻi. Now let's learn how to say no. Repeat after me. ʻAʻole. One more time. Let's do it all together. ʻAʻoia. ʻAʻole. Beautiful. And I like to use ʻAʻole on keiki. My students, or when my keiki were little, it's just softer on the ears than no, no, no. And they'll end up repeating you. So try ʻAʻole next time. It works. Ahui ho.